Hey, this is Adam, the restaurant manager of Pullman Melbourne on the park. Today, I will be going to analyze the various and the strategic objectives regarding to the event of MOA incentive dinner. I will compare the forecast budget plan and the received actual result budget from the event to evaluate the performances of sales, food, and beverage of the restaurant. So, to identify the problems and discuss about why it happened. Then I will provide a comprehensive suggestion about what we should do, what should be a good idea for us to improve our performance and make it more favorable in the future events. I have divided my content into two parts. The first part is data analysis and recommendation, and the second part is BSC objectives. First of all, I would like to talk about the revenue. Here is the actual budget and the forecasted budget and the calculation of the flexible budget and the related variance. The overall master budget variance is calculated by the actual result minus master budget, which is negative $23,250, bringing it to be an unfavorable variance. On the other hand, as the flexible budget is $142,500, which is lower than the master budget, and the actual result of the revenue is lower than the flexible budget. Both flexible budget variance and the sales volume variance are unflexible. These results were caused by the fewer guests that come to the event compared to what we expected, and the registration fee was decreased from $300 to $270 per guest. The reason for fewer guests than we projected could be that some guests may register to join the event, but did not show up, or they registered in wrong number of guests. So for future operation, we could improve our registry system and implement some kind of prepayment mechanism, such as recruiting guests to pay a few percent of the event fee upon registration to ensure better attendance. For beverage section, the number is also not that promising, as we expected to service 2,020 glasses during the event, but only served 1,900 glasses as the result, although the quantity per glasses was 10 milliliters, more than we projected. The cost per liter from supplier increased from $92 to $95 per liter. To avoid this kind of situation happen again, we can make contracts with our supplier to fix the price during the specific event. By calculation, the flexible budget is $226,220, and the in-betweener is $27,968. So the level 1 analysis of the master budget variance for beverage department is actual results minus master beverage equals to $1,004. For the second level of analysis, the flexible budget variance equals the actual result minus the flexible budget, which is $2,660. The two variants that we described are all unfavorable, which means it could be unprofitable for the restaurant. For decreased mandatory price, use actual result minus in-betweener, which results in $912, and use in-betweener minus flexible budget to calculate the efficiency variance equals $1,748. Although the beverage did not perform well, the food department has shown us some good signal. We can see from the table that the master budget variance is negative $1,510.5, and the flexible budget variance is $940.5, and the decreased material price and the budget variance is $263.63 and $676.88, respectively. Although in forecast plan we expected to service 505 meals, but at the end we only served 475 meals. The quality per meal was 15 grams smaller than projected, and the cost per kilogram was only $3 cheaper, which leads to the result of lower food cost and a higher profits. At the end of this part, let's take a look at income and the gross profit. It can be seen that the projected gross profit is $114,029, but the actual result was $91,285.5. This is mainly caused by the unfavorable part of both sales revenue and the beverage department. Based on the Part 1 analysis, to develop an appropriate strategic objective, there are four aspects we need to consider. For financial aspect, increase labor productivity both back of house and the front of house could be a effective operation to optimize the budget and gain more financial outcomes. For customer, increase repeat business in the food outlet makes customer feel respected, and it could also increase the brand awareness and recall. We can offer some kind of loyalty program to connect with customers more. For organizational process, how to decrease errors in production and the service processes is always being an issue. Therefore, the error management training for employees could be important at this part. Take a regular holding seminar or study to employees to keep the error management in their mind constantly could effectively reduce the possibility of production and the service processes error. Finally, for employee, it is important for increase employee confidence and related knowledge about higher margin beverage products. It's allowing employees to gain greater understanding of the product and more financial benefits to the restaurant. Well, here is all of my report. Thank you for your listening. Bye.